What it do, hustlers? It's your boy Drell here, coming at you with another video today. And I know y'all ain't hear my voice in a minute. It's been a little minute. It's been like a month since I made a video on this channel. But hey man, I got my first apartment. You see it, man. I got my first apartment. I just turned 20, so I just been grinding, man. I just been grinding. We just hit 100K on the Black Hustlers Club Instagram account as well. So I just want to say thank you. But in this video, I just want to talk about what you could actually do to start making you some money, because you see everything that's going on right now. The economy is collapsing and everything like that. But there are opportunities for you to go out and make some money, especially because we got a lot of free time on our hands right now, because they cancel sports, they canceling school, they canceling church, they canceling pretty much everything. So you can't really use the excuse that you don't got enough free time anymore. Now is the time that you can actually go ahead and make some money online. So the first way that you can actually make some money during this time is actually investing in the stock market, man. Investing in the stock market. If you have some money set aside, invest that in the stock market. Now, I'm not saying go ahead and spend all your money on stocks. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying, like, if you got some extra money, put that in the stock market. Bet on yourself, man, because stocks are super cheap right now. Just go look up some stocks. They super cheap. Everything is cheaper now. So what you could do is you could buy low and sell high. Just wait. All you got to do is wait. Don't sell when you see things drop even further, which it probably will. Just wait a couple months, wait till the economy recovers, wait till the stocks go back up, and then you can sell the stocks if you want, or you can hold on for even longer if you want to. But yeah, you could buy stocks for super cheap right now. So use a couple $100s if you have a couple $100s. Now I know a lot of you guys gonna be asking me like, yo Drell, what stocks should I actually go ahead and invest in? So for me, I would look into the airlines for one. The airlines are a big one, like American Airlines, Spirit Airlines, Frontier. Those are some big ones that you can invest in. Another thing I would invest in is Uber, right? Uber Eats as well, because a lot of people gonna be in the house, right? So you're not really gonna be able to go outside that much, so they're gonna be using Uber Eats. Also Grubhub as well, just to get food delivered to them so they won't have to leave the house. So Uber Eats, Grub, Uber. Another one is Disney. Disney took a big hit. Just go ahead and look at the stock market. You got to do your own research, but I just gave you a couple. The airlines, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Uber, Disney. Also some Chinese businesses, because they taking a big hit right now as well, because people like, I ain't trying to mess with them, I might catch something, you know, stuff like that, just goofy stuff like that. But they gonna be right back up once everything passes, so take a look into that as well. Second way that you can make some money is doing YouTube, man. What you're watching right now, YouTube, you can start making you some videos, start building up your brand, doing all of this free time that you have, right? So if you was one of them people that said, I ain't got enough time to make videos, I ain't got enough time to edit videos, now is your time. Now is the time for you to get to work. Man, YouTube is so crazy, because you could post a video today and you still could be making that money off that one video that you posted today a year from now, man. It's crazy, the power of YouTube. So hey, I recommend you guys starting a YouTube channel, start building up your brand on YouTube. Even if you don't got fancy equipment, fancy lighting or anything like that, start with your phone, man. If you got a phone, you can start a YouTube channel. You could just record on your phone. Just make sure that you hold it sideways so that you can get the full screen. But yeah, you can start recording on your phone. You really got no excuse, man. You can start recording on your laptop as well. You don't even have to show your face. You could do a screen recording and just record your screen and just talk over it, right? Or you could do some animated videos as well. You don't necessarily have to be on camera. But if you do want to be on camera, you don't need to go out and spend $1,000 on equipment. Just start with your phone. Start what you already have. Now the third way to make some money is on Instagram. Like, hey, all of this stuff I'm telling you guys, I'm actually doing myself. You see me on YouTube right now. I've been investing in stocks. I've been doing Instagram as well. We just hit 100K, like I said earlier in the video. Start posting on Instagram. Start building your brand up on Instagram as well, because that's what a lot of people going to be on, right? They not gonna be at work as much. They not gonna be watching sports as much. They gonna be on their phones, right? So what platform do people go to the most? It's either YouTube or Instagram, man. So now is your time. Start you an Instagram account, start building up your brand, start selling things on Instagram, because that's what people's attention is at. Wherever the attention is, that's where the money is, you feel me? So go where the money is. Now, if you guys wanted like a full tutorial on how to grow your Instagram accounts, how to grow your YouTube channels, leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll make some videos on those, how to grow your accounts, how to monetize your accounts and everything like that. Let me know, man. I can make some videos on that. But hey, start an Instagram account, start your YouTube channel. Hey, now is the perfect time. The fourth way to make some money is doing real estate. Take advantage of them 0% interest rates, right, bruh? take advantage. Now is the time, bro. Now is the time to get into real estate. If you've been holding off, man, if you've been holding off on real estate and you got some extra money, now is the time to get you a house for the low, and then wait a couple months. Once the economy recovers, you can flip that house, or you can just rent it out, right? So now is the time to get into some real estate as well. Hey, it's so much money to be made. It's so much money to be made now. I understand everybody wants to be prepared for the virus and everything like that, but don't let that stop you from getting to the money. But hey, that's all I have for today's video. I just wanted to make this quick video, just giving you guys a couple ways that you can make some money during this time. Now that I got my own crib, I'm gonna be posting on here way more often. So make sure you leave any suggestions on what you want me to talk about in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, all that good stuff. But hey, I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next video.